Hello everyone, this is a quick video on my Ganzo G710. The knife comes in this box from Ganzo. The knife is made in China. This knife is a direct copy or clone of the Benchmade 950 Rift. The knife has a 3.5 inch blade, a 4.5 inch handle. The knife steel is 440C stainless steel. This is a reverse tanto design with an unsharpened swedge, and it has a hollow grind. The handles are G10 with full steel liners. The pocket clip is tip up only, right or left side carry. Has a medium sized lanyard hole. There's some jimping on the liners in the back, and there's no jimping on the blade. It has an axis lock that works fine, and thumb studs to open the knife. Or you can just use the axis lock. Also can open and close with the axis lock. The scales are really grippy, but the edges are pretty sharp on this knife. If you squeeze it, it digs into your hand. I wear extra large size on my gloves. This knife fits my hands fine, but without the gloves on, it does dig into your hand, these scales. There is some blade play left and right on the blade, but none up and down. This knife is pretty beefy, heavy knife. It weighs 5.6 ounces. You can definitely feel this in your pocket. This is the Ganzo G710. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.